Zach, let's go over our gear a little bit here. Now, for the most part, bottom fishing is pretty straightforward. And so we're just running our salmon rods because they can handle that 2 to 6 ounces of lead that you need to get down 80, 100 feet. But as far as line goes, I mean, you're the line expert. That's your business. You can use monofilament, but we're using braid for a couple reasons. One, because there's no stretch sensitivity. We can feel exactly the type of structure we're fishing, whether it's rock or sand, which is important when targeting these fish. But also because of the line diameter. Explain that a little bit, how braid is thinner than mono or fluoro.
Yeah, so the braid line that we're using today is an 8 carrier braid. And so it has 8 fibers, round construction, basically thinner diameter. So if you were to take like 65-pound braid, it's gonna be about the same diameter as 20-pound monofilament.
Sure, okay.
So it's, you get a higher pound test rating and it's with a thinner diameter.
Yeah.
With the 8 carrier braid we're using today, it's got great sensitivity, castability, tensile strength, and everything. So it really allows us to, catch some big fish on lighter gear too.
Yeah. What I've noticed is that with some of the lines that have a lot of different yarns, and 16, 20, 30 different yarns all wound together, that they fuzz up real easy.
Yeah.
And it's a bunch of little micro abrasions that actually make your line less strong.
Okay, exactly. Yeah.
And so having only 8 strands a little bit thicker, I personally tend to like a bit more.
Yeah, and a lot of that has to do with the coating too on it. When your braid gets kind of, I'm going to say fuzzy like that.
Right.
It's because the wax coating's started to wear off.
Sure, okay. And now, why do a lot of line companies put a wax coating onto their braids?
Castability, durability, longevity. Really, I mean, you don't want that braid to start to ball up or fuzz up because then you really, it doesn't last as long.